Here's a 2011 Buick LaCrosse. This LaCrosse will captivate you with its strikingly original design, dramatic shapes, and incredible functionality. It comes with all the amenities you need: rear parking sensors, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, AM/FM satellite radio, V6 engine, dual zone climate control, doors and push button start proximity key, auxiliary audio input, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the LaCrosse car and driver effuses, easily the best Buick sedan in a long time. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.